They're going to lay down and do some dumbbell extensions on the floor. The major bench press is the triceps. Larry Pacifico said this 30 years ago, and it's still true. You'll notice when you take a look at Kenny's arms or Rob's arms or George's arms, they have tremendous tricep development. When the arms are very strong, the bar will go in a straight line. If the shoulders are stronger than the arms, the bar has a tendency to fade over the face. By doing that, you're rotating. That's why you have rotator injuries, rotator cuff injuries. You want to press the bar in a straight line. Shoulder distance, no shoulder rotation, cutting down injuries to the shoulders. That's very, very important.
Here's a good example. You got to see elbow spot where it hurt back.
Yeah. Notice how the elbows are rolled back. Then a slight kick to start them up. But it works the tricep muscles on the inside of the elbow, and that's the ones that really do the extension of the arms.
Squeeze them out. Come on.
Remember, folks, we're not bodybuilding here. We're powerlifting. We're going for maximum absolute strength. Those are 110-pound dumbbells, by the way. Why don't we ask Kenny's history at Westside Barbell, when he started and so forth.
I started when I was 14 years old. There at Westside Barbell as a kid, working with Lou. First benchman I was in, did 215. 14 years later, 728 at 275, 701 at 242.